Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Deep Learning Demystified, Stacking Neural Networks for Superpowers. Hey everyone, and welcome to AI for Developers. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest and most powerful areas of AI, deep learning. You might have heard terms like neural networks or AI brain, and today we're going to demystify it all. Our goal is to understand how we can give AI incredible superpowers by stacking simple components. Even if you've never touched AI before, think of it like teaching a computer to be an absolute expert in something far beyond what traditional programming can do. Let's start with the smallest building block, a neural network. At its core, a single neural network, often called a neuron, is a simple decision-making unit. Imagine it like a tiny, smart switch in your code. It takes some inputs, numbers, data points, performs a simple calculation or logic, and then gives you an output. Another number, or a yes/no decision. For a developer, you can think of it as a function. Output equals some underscore logic. Input 1, input 2, For example, it might decide, is the image I'm seeing more red or more blue? Very basic, right? Now, here's where deep learning comes in. Deep simply means many layers. Instead of just one smart switch, we take many of these individual neural networks, neurons, and arrange them into a layer. Then, we stack multiple layers on top of each other. Imagine building a tall Lego tower. Each individual Lego brick is a neuron. A whole floor of the tower is a layer. And stacking many floors makes your tower deep. In our AI brain, the output from one layer becomes the input for the next, allowing for a flow of information and increasingly complex processing. Why stack all these layers? This is the secret to deep learning's superpowers. Each layer in a stacked network learns to recognize something different and builds upon the findings of the previous layer. Think of it like a team of detectives. The junior detectives, first layer, find basic clues like lines and colors. Mid-level detectives, middle layers, combine these clues to recognize shapes like eyes or wheels. Finally, senior detectives, last layer, piece together all the shapes to identify the whole object, say, a cat or a car. As developers, this means we're breaking down a super complex problem into smaller, specialized modules, each contributing to the final, intelligent outcome. So, how do these stacked networks learn to be detectives? We train them. This involves showing the network tons of examples, like showing a child hundreds of pictures of cats and dogs. For each picture, we tell the network if it's right or wrong. If it's wrong, the network slightly adjusts its internal settings, called weights and biases, like tuning an instrument, to try and be more accurate next time. We repeat this process millions of times with vast amounts of data until the network becomes incredibly good at its task. From a developer's standpoint, you're essentially running an iterative optimization process, refining your model's parameters based on feedback from the data. Once trained, these stacked neural networks unlock incredible superpowers. They're behind things like face unlock on your phone, self-driving cars seeing the road, chatbots understanding your questions, and Netflix recommending your next favorite show. Our AI detective agency, once trained, can solve incredibly complex cases, like recognizing a face in a crowd or translating languages, with amazing speed and accuracy, far surpassing what simple programming rules could achieve. As a developer, understanding this allows you to tap into these powerful capabilities to build truly intelligent applications. The best part? You don't need to be a math genius to start building these powerful systems. Just like you don't build a car engine from scratch to drive. You'll use powerful AI frameworks and libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. These tools provide the Lego bricks and blueprints to easily define your layers. Stack them and train your models in Python. We'll be using Keras, built on TensorFlow, in this series, which acts like an intuitive API for building deep neural networks. Your AI journey starts now. It's about learning to leverage these tools to bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.